I say this, and people look at me like I'm crazy. Uh, but at his size, which is 6 feet nothing, to do what he does in the land of giants in this league is
Yeah.
absolutely remarkable. He has led the league in total assists twice. He was the league leader in assists per game for the first time last year. He's the first Hawk to ever do that. I've said this to people, and this is where they look at me like I'm crazy. I say the best I've seen with his creativity and his flair since Pete Maravich in a Hawks uniform. And people say, well, what about, Magic Johnson? And what about some of these great point guards? I said, well, you know, Magic Johnson was what, 6'9"?